فهل من مدكر.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember?
tashdeed.
Tashdeed is equivalent to writing the same letter twice. The first letter has sukoon over it, and the second a harkat, Fathah, Kasrah, Dammah over it. This same harkat is written over the tashdeed sign. Tashdeed cannot come at the beginning of the word and can occur anywhere in the middle of the word or at the end of it.
This is the shaddah. It indicates emphasizing or doubling of a letter. It looks like the letter W. Like this example. This means it has two bars. The first bar has a sukoon and the next bar has a vowel. In this case, it has a Dammah. This is the same as this. The first bar has a sukoon and the second bar has a Fathah. It reads Abba, Abba, pronouncing both bars. Another example. This is the same as this. It reads Utta, Utta, not Uta, Utta, pronouncing both tas. This is the same as this. It reads Itha, Itha. Very good. This reads Awwa, Awwa. If I take out the shaddah, it will read Awa, Awa. With a shaddah, it is Awwa, Awwa, and not Awa, Awwa. This reads As-Sah, As-Sah. Great. Let's try some bigger words. This reads Kadhaba, Kadhaba. This reads Quwwatin, Quwwatin. Whenever you see a noon or a meme with a shaddah, you hold it for 2 counts in the nose. This reads Jannatin, Jannatin. See how we hold it for 2 counts? Same rule here, because there is a meme. It reads Thumma, Thumma. Great. This may be hard for some readers. Su'irat, Su'irat. It's just like this. Imagine it's 2 words. Su'irat, Su'irat. Great. In some books, the Kasrah is written below the shaddah and not below the letter. Zuwijat, Zuwijat. I didn't say Zuwijat without doubling the letter. It is Zuwijat, Zuwijat. It's just like this. Zuwijat, Zuwijat. Suyirat, Suyirat. It's like this. Suyirat, Suyirat. Excellent. These examples have long vowels. It reads Ayana, Ayana. It's like this. Ayana, Ayana. Great. Iyaka, Iyaka. It's not Iyaka or Iyaka. It's Iyaka. Examples with alif maqsura. Tajalla, Tajalla. Tawalla, Tawalla. Very good. Here are some bigger words with long vowels. Yusalluna, Yusalluna. Here is a tricky one. Mumaddadatin, Mumaddadatin. ممددة. Great. فمهل. فمهل. These examples have sukoons and double shaddas. المدثر. 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 This is a hard one. عليين. Let's split it so it's easy to read. This reads علي. Remember the long vowel ya? If it has a kasrah on the letter before it, we stretch it. علي. Same as this one. Yina. Not yina. Yina. Because of the long vowel ya. So again. عليين. عليين. Great. And last one, very similar to the previous one. عليون. 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 Great.
أب أب أن أن رب رب إما إما بس 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 وفصا أمي ألا ولا حظ صفا الله يا ربي يا رب ستار إن الله مسنا الله زينا السَّاءَ
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember?